In this video, I'll show you how to add apps and icons to your desktop in Windows 11. Let's get started. First, if you want to add system icons like this PC, Recycle Bin, or Control Panel to your desktop, right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Personalize. In the Settings window, go to Themes, then scroll down a bit until you find Desktop Icon Settings and click on it. A new window will appear where you can choose which icons you want to display on your desktop. Simply check the ones you want, then click Apply and OK. You'll now see those icons appear on your desktop. If you want to add other apps like Paint, WinRAR, or any installed program, there's another method. Go to the app you want, right-click on it, and select Open File Location. Once the file location opens, right-click on the app again, then choose Send To, and click on Desktop, Create Shortcut. You'll now see the app shortcut added to your desktop. That's it. You've successfully learned how to add apps and icons to your desktop in Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your desktop.